Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown and Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be continuing our Canik series. Today we're going to be talking about how to disassemble and reassemble or field strip your Canik TP9SF pistol. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to point this weapon in a safe direction, which it is. Next, we're going to remove the source of ammunition by depressing the mag release right here. There is no magazine inside, so now we're going to do a visual and physical inspection of the chamber. So we're going to go ahead and rack this to the rear, push the slide release bar up. I see nothing, I feel nothing, weapon is clear, so we're going to go ahead and send that forward. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the trigger. We're going to pull the slide back just a bit, and we're going to pull the slide lock bar down. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the slide off. We're going to set down our pistol grip / trigger housing group. Next, we're going to remove the guide rod and the spring. So we're going to pop this out right here. Whoops. Set that down. And then next is going to be our barrel. And then we have our slide. And that's how you disassemble your Canik TP9SF pistol. Now, when it comes to putting it back together, we just go in the reverse order. So we're going to take this, our barrel, and we're going to set this into the larger hole inside here, making sure that your hook side is pointing down, just like that. Next, you're going to grab your guide rod and your spring. You're going to make sure that the rounded nosed end, I'm trying to get this to focus. There we go. So you want to make sure that this end is the one that goes into the hole right here, and this flanged end is going to sit inside right here. You see this little concave cutout right here? That's where it's going to sit inside of. It's going to catch onto that little latch. Okay, and now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to line this back up with on the grooves of the slide. Try to get this to focus so you can see. Okay, rack this back to the rear. And now we're going to perform what's called a functions check of the pistol. So we're going to pull the trigger for a click. We're going to rack the firearm again. This time we're going to hold the trigger down, rack the slide again, release it for a clunk, pull it again for a click, rack it one more time to reset it, and there you go. That is how you perform your disassembly, reassembly, and functions check of the Canik TP9SF pistol. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you all stay safe, take care, and carry every day.